Good afternoon, everybody out there in YouTube land. It is Don, and I am back with a special edition of To the Kitchen. This episode is a little different. Most of you are going to find it kind of stupid, but this is for one of our varsity bowlers in Owasso here. Her name is Tarah, and recently she had a little bit of difficulty making microwave popcorn. As you can see, it did not turn out as good as it should have. So, I promised Tarah that I would do a special episode to show everybody how to make microwave popcorn. So, we're of course not going to make it on my love seat. We need to go to the kitchen. Okay, our ingredients that we are using today are a package of microwavable popcorn, and we're going to need a microwave. Okay, first thing we have to do is take our microwave popcorn out of its plastic wrapper here. And then, according to the instructions, you unfold it and you put it instruction side up into the microwave. Tarah, instructions. Okay. Then it says to set time for 1:30 to 2 minutes and 30 seconds on high. Now, my microwave is not super powerful, and it's old, and it makes a lot of noise, so I'm going to set my timer for about 3 minutes, and we're going to give her a go. Okay, now, according to the instructions, it says, do not let popcorn overcook since scorching and burning could result. Anyway, carefully remove the bag of popcorn from the microwave, and according to the instructions, it says bag will be hot. Remove carefully from oven and open top of bag away from face by slowly pulling diagonally at the corners. These are corners. Pull diagonally. And then let the steam vent. We're going to take this over and put it in a bowl. Okay, as you can see, I am back on my love seat and I am ready to enjoy my big bowl of microwave popcorn. Tarah, I hope you learned something today. And for everyone else, if you didn't know how to make microwave popcorn, well, there you go. Until next time, enjoy. We'll see everyone later. Tarah?